Yes, sir.
Please give a brief introduction about yourself.
So my name is Vandita and I have done my schooling from Delhi. I also hail from Delhi only and I have completed my graduation from Zakir Hussain Delhi College. I have done BSc in Zoology Honours. After that, I have completed Bachelor's in Education from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, and then from then on I started preparing for UPSC Civil Services, and this is my third attempt.
Vandita, what motivated you to pursue a career in civil services?
So I was very inspired with the amount of opportunities a person gets in these services, and also it is a very respectable services, and my parents also pushed me for this. So from there on I got
Okay. Suppose you think yourself to be a member of Indian bureaucracy. In which areas would you like to work and why?
Sir, in women issues is my first preference because I am very passionate about women and their rights. And second would be education.
Women issues and education. You are a girl from Delhi.
Yes, sir.
Women's safety is one of the concerns of Delhi. So what are the issues or what are the challenges faced by women in Delhi and what are the possible solutions?
So, this is true that Delhi is very infamously known for the crime against women. The national crime rate against women in Delhi. In national crime rate as in is 64 crimes per lakh population, but in Delhi it becomes 144 crimes per lakh of population. So the safety is one of the major issues that Delhi women face over here. And second is the mobility issues that women face because that is where most of the crimes occur during public transportation or during in buses or metros there.
So what is the solution?
So solution is one is of course that one of the prime reason for this is that there is excessive of overcrowding, which gives a opportunity to perpetrators for this crime. And second is that the regulation, the law and order situation, and the crime closure rate, the case closure rate is very low in Delhi. That is.
Could you share or list some of the laws which protect the interest of women?
So first is protection of women at workplaces, sexual harassment case there. Second is the Prohibition of Domestic Violence Act. Third is the POXO Act especially for children. These are some of these.
These are the laws. So what do you think? There is no dearth of laws in our country.
Yes, sir.
What is the problem? If the law is not properly executed, or what issue is there?
Sir, I think there are two types of issues due to which the laws, though we have them in the theory, they don't get reflected on the ground level. The first thing is the society, the social conditioning that we have, the gender inequality and patriarchy, which is perpetuated and ingrained in our society. That is one of the reasons that laws are not very effective here. And second is that to ensure that laws are implemented truly, we require a very robust criminal prosecution system, which requires the police and the criminal justice system, everything to work in synchrony.
Okay.